Okay, ready? One more time from the beginning. This is the second time, right? Okay, ready?
The International Year of Family Farming.
Okay, so remember, the big problem is not cut. The International Year of Family Farming. Smooth together. The International Year of Family Farming. So kanobas. Right?
The International.
But I think when you're doing pronunciation, just read it. It's okay. It's okay. So you can see the International Year of Family Farming.
The International Year of Family Farming.
Okay, and when you say family,
Family.
your mouth is like open.
Fa.
Family farming.
Family farming.
Good.
Do you know that more than 1.5 billion people work on family farms? Almost half of these people are women.
Almost half of these people.
Almost
Half of these people.
half of
these people.
half of these people.
The th. Almost half of these people.
Almost half of these people are women.
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 Good. One more time. Almost half of these people are women.
Almost half of these people are women. In poor countries, people spend about 80% of their income on food. Getting access to food is a major worry in many countries.
Okay, one more time. In poor countries, people spend. Like it says, right? In poor countries, people spend. About 80% of their income. Good, see? In poor countries, people spend about 80% of their income on food.
In poor countries, people spend about 80% of their income on food.
Good.
Getting access to food is a major worry in many countries.
In
many countries.
Good. Getting access to food is a major worry in many countries.
Getting access to food is a major worry in many countries.
Major worry.
Major worry.
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 Good. Okay.
Major worry. And that is why the United that is why
Remember,
that
American
is why.
T is not to just more like soft D. That is why.
That is why the United Nations has named 2014 as the International Year of Family Farming.
United Nations.
United Nations.
Don't look at it. United Nations. United Nations. Yes.
United Nations has named 2014 as the International Year of Family Farming.
Did your teacher say 2014? Because I say 2014. Both okay. But 2014? Maybe ask your teacher. Okay. But correct is 2014. 2014. But 2014. Okay. Anyway, small farms.
Small farms are essential to future food security.
Good. You want to do that set. Small farms are essential to future food security.
Small farms are essential to future food security.
Future food security.
Future food security.
Good.
And can help us to reduce poverty in the poorest parts of our world.
Slow is okay. Our parts of our world.
Parts of our world.
Our world.
Our world.
Of our world.
Of our world.
Parts of our world.
Parts of our world. Our world. Especially in rural areas of developing countries, family farms are vital.
Mm-hmm.
They can help poor people to avoid dire hunger and gain nutritional security. Family farms are by definition small in scale. However, the key word here is sustainability.
Okay, go back. Let's go back here. Especially in rural areas of developing countries.
Especially in rural areas of developing countries,
Family farms are vital.
family farms are vital.
Vital. Good.
Vital. They can help poor people to avoid dire hunger and gain nutritional security. Family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
Family farms are, by definition,
Family farms are, by definition,
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 by definition.
by definition.
Good. Family farms are, by definition.
Family farms are, by definition.
So here a little pause here. So
Definition.
family farms are, by definition,
Family farms are, by
Are. By definition,
family farms
Are.
family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
so are what nobas ne?
Are.
Family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
Family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
Small in scale.
Small in scale.
However, the keyword here,
The keywords here. However, the keyword here.
good.
However, the keyword here is sustainability.
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 Sustainability. No, not ha.
Sustainability.
Sustainability.
Sustainability. This means that the small family farmers can continue to produce food reliably without putting too much of a burden on the environment. For this reason, the United Nations has declared
Has declared
small
for this reason,
For this reason, the United Nations has declared that small farmers need technical support and information about best farming practices. It has also spoken out.
it has also spoken out.
It has also.
It has also.
It has also spoken
La
out.
la la la. All. It has also.
It has also.
Look at it. It has also.
It has also.
Yes, also. It has
Also.
also. It has also.
It has also.
Good. It has also.
It has also spoken out in favor of creating incentives for farmers to stay on farms rather than migrating to urban centers. Family farming, when done properly, protects environmental assets, biodiversity, and cultural heritage. For this reason, we need to ensure that the people who work on family farms can survive.
Okay, one more time from here. Family farming, when done properly,
Family farming, when done properly,
protects environmental assets.
protects environmental assets.
Environmental
Assets.
Remember your A is weak. That, cat, fat, family, right? Assets.
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 Good. Environmental assets.
Environmental assets. Biodiversity. Biodiversity.
And cultural heritage.
And cultural heritage.
Cultural heritage.
Cultural heritage.
Cultural's good. Cultural, good. Heritage.
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 Hair.
Heritage.
Good. Heritage.
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 heritage,
Touch.
touch,
Heritage.
heritage,
Okay. Cultural heritage.
cultural heritage,
No, you forgot.
Cultural.
Cultural.
cultural,
Cultural. Cultural heritage.
cultural heritage.
Hmm.
For this reason, we need to ensure that the people who work on family farms can survive.
Okay. Good. Now, before you leave today, I'm gonna give you pairs. You don't have to pronounce. Just listen. Just listen. Okay. When you go home, international year, right? International
International year.
year.
Of
Family farming. Family farming. Okay. Don't read. Just listen. At home, you practice after me. Okay. Right. International year. Family farming. So I'm going to do sets. Right. Let's see. Do you know that more than 1.5 billion people? 1.5 billion people. Family farms. Half of these people. Okay. 80% of their income. 80%. So I'm not pronouncing T. 18, no, 8, like D. 80. 80% of their income.
Okay.
Access to food.
Access to food.
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 Look at
Access
access to food.
to food.
Major worry.
Major worry.
Major worry. Major worry. Together, see? Major
Major
worry. Good. Access to food is a major worry.
Access to food is a major worry.
Good. That is why, we'll just say like this. That is why,
That is why.
look at TH.
That is why.
That is why,
That is why.
no, TH.
Ah.
That. I'm
That.
biting. See? That.
That.
Look at my mouth. That. Yeah. That is why.
That is why.
Good. United Nations.
United Nations.
Nations. Nations. Nations. Nations. United Nations.
United Nations.
Okay. Essential.
Essential.
Essential to future food security.
Essential to future food security.
Future.
Future.
That's it. Essential to future
Essential to future
food security.
food security.
Future food security.
Future food security.
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 Okay. Reduce poverty.
Reduce poverty.
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 Reduce poverty.
Reduce poverty.
Okay. Let's see. Especially in rural areas.
Especially in rural areas.
Rural areas.
Especially in rural areas.
Areas. Areas. Areas.
Areas.
Okay. Especially in rural areas.
Especially in rural areas.
Areas. Okay.
Areas.
Areas.
Area at
Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. Areas.
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 Yes, yes. Good. Okay, let's see. That's good. Okay. Family farms are vital.
Family farms are vital.
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 Yes, vital.
Vital.
LL. La, la, la.
Vital.
Vital. Vital.
Vital.
Vital.
Vital.
Yes.
Vital.
Yes, vital.
Vital.
Family farms are vital.
Family farms are vital.
Good. They can help poor people avoid dire hunger.
Avoid dire hunger.
Avoid
Avoid.
dire hunger.
Dire hunger.
That's good. Avoid dire hunger.
Avoid dire hunger.
Avoid.
Avoid dire hunger.
Good. Avoid dire hunger. And gain nutritional security.
And gain nutritional security.
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 Gain nutritional security.
Gain nutritional security.
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 Security. Ity. Ity.
Ity.
Curity.
Curity.
Cure.
Curity. Curity.
Cure.
Cure. Curity.
Cure ity.
Curity.
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 Security.
Security.
Now you lose a cure. Cure.
Cure.
Yes, that's good. That's good.
Curity.
Cure ity.
Curity.
See, that's cure it. Cure it. Curity.
Security.
Good, but
Security.
ity.
Ity.
Curity.
Security.
That's it.
Security.
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 National security. I'm sorry, nutritional security.
Nutrition security.
Gain nutritional security.
Gain nutrition security.
Good. Family farms are,
Family farms are,
by definition,
by definition,
small in scale.
small in scale.
Family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
Family farms are by
You stopped.
Huh?
Don't stop.
Ah.
Family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
Family farms are, by definition, small in scale.
Good.
However, the keyword here is sustainability. This means that the small family farmers can continue to produce food reliably without putting too much of a burden on the environment.
Too much of a burden.
Too much of a burden.
Good. Don't forget, see, no too. Putting too.
Putting too much.
Okay, let's see. For this reason, yes, is it best more technical. Okay. Technical support
Technical support
and information.
and information.
Technical support and information.
Technical support and information
That's good. About best
About-
farming practices.
about best farming practices.
That's good. Let's see. Creating incentives.
Creating incentives.
Very good. Okay. Stay on farms.
Stay on farms
Very good. Rather than.
rather than
Rather than. Th.
rather
Rather than. Than. So th. Rather. Than. Th. Biting your teeth. T. La la la. I mean, no,
La.
T. Bite. Rather than.
rather
自分の舌を噛む。
rather
than.
than
Again.
rather than
Rather than. Open your mouth. Rather than.
rather than
Rather than. Not your open your mouth. See, remember apple,
apple
can, a cat,
a cat
fat, than, rather than, and yes, rather than. That's it. Rather than. Yes. Where is it? Rather than migrating.
To urban centers.
Okay, your A is good, but don't forget TH, right? Rather
Okay.
than.
Good.
Family farming, when done properly,
Family farming, when done properly,
good, protects environmental assets.
protects environmental assets.
You did it again.
Environmental assets.
Assets. Environmental assets. Good.
Biodiversity and cultural heritage.
Good. Go together. Biodiversity and cultural heritage.
Biodiversity and cultural heritage.
Heritage. Cultural heritage.
Cultural
Heritage. Hair. Coming. Okay. Hair. Heritage. Cultural heritage. Good. Cultural heritage. For this reason, we need to ensure that the people who work on family farms can survive.
that the people who work on farm
That the people who work
that the people who work
on family farms
on family farms
can survive.
can survive.
Can survive.
Can survive.
See, I'm
Survive.
putting can survive. Can survive.
Can survive.
Like, don't think like 日本語でなんか切るでしょ。あ、い、う、え、お。英語でちょっと全部なんか酔っ払いみたい。Can survive. Can survive. Okay.
Can
So like a
survive.
family farms can survive.
Family farms can survive.
Good. Family. Remember A. Family farms can survive.
Family farms can survive.
Okay, that's better. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this to the internet. I'll send your mother the link. Okay.
Okay.